Hello dear viewers, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video, I will explain what the flap in a washing machine does and why I need this light green lid. If suddenly you are hearing about this for the first time, quickly run to your washing machine and repeat what I am about to show you. So take a close look at your washing machine. You will see a round or rectangular flap at the bottom of the front. Mine is on the right. This flap may vary depending on the manufacturer and model of the washing machine. However, it is typically located at the bottom under the door. To open it, you may need to press a small clip, use a coin, or find a small handle. Then pull the cover. Behind the flap, you will see the drain pump filter cover, but before you unscrew it, you need to drain the water from the washing machine. Some models have a special tube for this purpose. Pull it out, remove the plug, and drain all the water. If there is no tube in the washing machine, then take any shallow tray and place it under the washing machine. I used this lid. If you can't find anything else, you can lay down a rag. Another option is to use a plastic bottle. You can watch the video in the tooltip at the top right to see how to do this. Now unscrew the filter little by little. Turn counterclockwise. Once you have drained some water, screw on the filter, empty the water from the container, and continue. Quite a lot of water pours out of the filter, so there is no need to unscrew the lid right away. There are two filters in the washing machine. One is the inlet filter. I have already discussed it in detail, and if your washing machine isn't feeling well, be sure to watch the video included in the tooltip. The second is the drain filter. It looks like this. This filter catches small objects to prevent them from getting into the pump and causing damage. You can usually find buttons, coins, small Lego pieces, and even bra underwire here. Dirt, hair, and lint also accumulate on the filter, which over time begin to rot and cause an unpleasant odor. You can smell this smell from your washing machine when the drum is empty, or when after washing your clothes smell musty and damp instead of clean and fresh. Cleaning the filter is very simple. First, remove any debris that's stuck to it, then wash it with a brush under warm running water. Wipe the opening in the washing machine where the filter is inserted with a dry clean cloth, and be sure to remove all foreign objects from there. Once you have washed everything, screw the filter back in place. Close the flap and wipe the washing machine and floor dry. Regular cleaning of this filter will allow you to detect small objects early and prevent the formation of unpleasant odors, which will result in better washing results. So friends, don't forget about the flap in your washing machine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in more videos.